Are you a retail shop looking to get something started on Amazon and you've been hurt recently by the virus? If that's you, then join us on one of our live streams where we walk you through the strategies involved to getting your products, your existing inventory onto Amazon. So we go through the steps and what you need to do and pretty much the opportunities right now on Amazon. More people are shopping on Amazon than ever before. More people are shopping online than ever before. The virus, the coronavirus, has hit retailers pretty bad in Australia and New Zealand, and I know a lot more shops are needing to transition onto Amazon, all right? Amazon is not like selling on eBay. It's not like just putting something on a website, right? There's a lot of really great opportunities on Amazon right now, and now is the time. In this live stream, we're going to be discussing those opportunities and how it affects you. Now, this live stream is very short. It's very to the point. We go through the steps involved to getting your products, your inventory in stock onto Amazon Australia as well as Amazon USA if you want to do that. A lot of my students, we sell both on Amazon USA as well as Australia, and I'm going to cover specifically how to go about doing some research to find out what your products are currently selling for on Amazon and whether or not there's a market for it. But also I'm going to go through the steps involved to getting them listed, all right? Now we handle a lot of listings for our clients as well, so we can actually list products for our clients as well, or you could just learn how to do it yourself and do it yourself and basically, go through the motions and list your products yourself. So I'd love to see you in the live training below this video. There is a link, give that link a click. I'll see you on the live stream. Bye-bye for now. Have a great day. See you later. All right, thank you, video. Thank you so much for subscribing to the live stream. Now below this video, there's a link to it. I'll love to see you on there. And guys, we've been doing this now for a long time, helping business owners, especially retailers as well, take advantage of the immense opportunities Amazon has to offer, all right? Retail shops are closing. We are in a very dire situation right now where there's lockdowns and shops are forced to shut. You're still paying your rent. You've still got the overhead. You've still got variable costs. You may have employees that you may have had let go, right? Or you may be still paying costs for employees, right? So there's costs galore, but what if there was a way where you can get your existing inventory, your existing stock onto Amazon in a very easy way? Well, in this webinar, I'm going to go through the steps involved. Now, below this link, there's a link to the webinar. Give that link a click, and I'll see you on the training. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the training. And don't forget, this is a live interaction. So if you have questions, if you want to ask something, right, there's a chat box there as well. And if I have time, I'll answer those questions as well. Have a great day. Talk to you real soon. Click the link below, by the way. Click it below and join me on the live stream below this video. See you later. Bye-bye for now. My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.